You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this syllable in Spanish, formed with the letters G-U-E, as in the name Miguel, for example. This is said in Spanish G, Ge, Ge, not Gue. So it's not Miguel, never Gue, but rather Ge, Ge. It's really easy. Miguel, not Miguel. Ge. For any word, this syllable in Spanish is said Ge. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.